What is Brinell Hardness and why you should care? So essentially, Brinell Hardness is how hard a chunk of lead is. So I got this lead, don't know how hard that is. Drop that on your toes. And I got this lead, and I actually know how hard this is because I tested it. So pure lead has a Brinell hardness of about 5. Any lead alloy that you're using for casting will range typically from like 8 to 20. As a general rule of thumb for pistols, I really don't care. Most lead is alloy these days, so typically I found anywhere from like 8 to about 16 with anything that I've picked up from scrapyards, and that is good enough for pistols. I don't even test it, just cast it and send it. Never had any issues. Once you start getting into rifles, you're going to want to be looking at Brinell hardness about 15 or better. Anything above 20 is not really going to be too much advantageous, and you're probably going to want to put a gas check on the back of that as well. As far as how to test, you can look at the video I did last week right here. And then here's the formula for Brinell hardness. So it's essentially how they test it is you take an indenter and smash it into something that's specific force, and you calculate it using this formula. So essentially to calculate Brinell hardness of yours, you don't use that fancy formula, you just use this one, so depending on the alloy. So 5 just Brinell hardness times 0.29 times your tin percentage and 0.92 times your antimony percentages. So tin and antimony are the two materials that you can feed into your lead alloy mixture, and it'll make it harder. So the higher tin and antimony percentages you have, the harder it's going to be. So for example, if you had 10% tin and 5% antimony, the rest is lead, you'd have a Brinell hardness about 12.5, and there's the math for that. So and you can use this to increase your Brinell hardness. Typically, again, I only cast for pistols, so I literally don't care. I just load it and send it. Okay, guys, so that's it for Brinell hardness. It's pretty simple. If you have any other comments or questions on that, put it in the comment section below. Okay, guys, thanks for watching.